So I know I haven't posted for a very long time, but today we are going to make slime. Most of you go to the store and just buy slime stuff or use expensive stuff to make it. Well, me and my sisters discovered a new way how to make slime. All you need is some any type of color shampoo, and then you just hold it there, and then you just mix it. And look, instant slime. It's so easy and so fun, because look. It's so cool. Because you can make it at home anytime you want. Because it's only with shampoo. All you gotta do is put it in there, add a little bit water if you want to make it slimer. That's what I did, just to make it slimer. And then just mix it for a little while, and then it becomes slime. And it's very sticky, because look. You could put it in the freezer for like 15 minutes, and then it will get cold. And when you mix it while it's cold, it makes it better. So yeah, guys, it's just so cool, and you could do it anywhere. Like if they have like conditioner and stuff, you could just make it. So you don't have to go to the store and buy slime or buy the stuff that makes slime. You could just buy shampoo and then just mix it, and then I wouldn't say add a lot of water. Add like 5 drops, and then keep on mixing it, and if there's any water left over, you just dump it out. So yeah, guys, hope you like it. Bye.